Good morning students. Today we are going to understand next sum from accounting for debentures. Sum number 19. On 1/7/2017, Paras Pharma Limited issued 20,000 9% debentures of rupees 400 each are to be redeemed after 7 years at a premium of 12%. As per conditions in prospectus, the amount is payable on application rupees 125 per debenture and balance amount at the time of allotment. Then students, balance amount will be 275 rupees per debenture. Pass the necessary journal entries for the issue of debentures in the books of the company. Then students, first entry will be on 20,000 debentures at rupees 125 per debenture. First entry, bank account debit to 9% debenture application account. 20,000 multiplied by 125, then amount will be 25 lakh. Narration being amount of application is received on 20,000 debentures at rupees 125 per debenture. Now this amount will be transferred to debenture account. Then entry will be 9% debenture application account debit to 9% debentures account. ₹25 lakh. Narration being amount of application is transferred to debenture account. Then we will call allotment money. Then at the time of allotment we have also mentioned 12% premium which is redeemed after 7 years, so it is a loss. Then entry will be 9% debenture allotment account debit we will leave one line to 9% debentures account. So 20,000 multiplied by 275, amount 55 lakh. नाउ 12% प्रीमियम से रिडीम करना है तो लॉस ट्रांसफर करेंगे. लॉस ऑन इश्यू ऑफ डिबेंचर अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्रीमियम ऑन रिडेम्पशन ऑफ डिबेंचर अकाउंट. Premium is 12%, means 400 face value of debentures. 400's 12% is 48 rupees, means 20,000 multiplied by 48, 9,60,000 credit side and 9,60,000 debit side. Narration being amount of allotment is called on 20,000 debentures at rupees 275 per debenture and premium on redemption of debenture is occurred 48 rupees per debenture. Then this amount will be received by the company. Then entry will be bank account debit to 9% debenture allotment account 55 lakh rupees will be received by the company. Narration being amount of allotment is received, and students, here no need to make total. Then our sum number 19 is completed. नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट सम्स के साथ। स्टूडेंट्स, आपको हमारा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू सपोर्ट अस। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स।